Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're opening the JioCinema app on your phone. At that time you are facing this type of error. Unfortunately, JioCinema has stopped. So how to fix this irritating error in this video, we'll learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to close the app and restart your phone. After restarting, you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time also you can face this type of error. Okay, in case your internet connection is too good, afterwards you are facing this kind of error. So now what you need to do, you need to check your internal storage of your phone. If the internal storage is full, you can also face this kind of error. So if the internal storage is not full, afterwards you are facing this type of problem, now you can try this next method. Open the Google Play Store on your phone and here simply search the JioCinema app, and if the app update is available, just update the app. After updating, open the app. Now hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Open your phone settings, go to apps or application manager like this. From here you need to find out the JioCinema app. JioCinema app is here. Open it, go to storage, clear the caches, as well as you need to clear the data. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, open the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix that problem. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.